I want to show what the CYA tool looks like. So what you want to do is, obviously we already know that this crankshaft has no sag, but this is just for demonstration. You want to actually use this tool before you remove the rear main seal, because if it got sag, you can't replace the rear main seal. It will leak with the new style. That's what it looks like. Factory Porsche tool. The brand new RMS rear main seal with a special Porsche tool. So first we want to slide it in properly, get it all adjusted and tight in order for the tool to properly function. There's a little dowel in there that it has to line up, so we already did that. So now it's time to snug it up and put this front portion over it. Okay, so we're going to use this gun to reel this in. No, I'm just kidding. Don't ever use a gun. Don't ever use an impact on anything on the freaking car, man. I've seen this in the videos, but I thought I'd mess with somebody so they'd be like, oh wow. But anyways, that's what you want to use right here. You don't want to use this. So this is how you do it. Nice and easy. It does it. It will seat it exactly where you need it. This is what's awesome about factory Porsche tools. They'll bottom out and stop. Just like that. You don't want to go any further. And that was it. Once we remove this, it's going to be a little tight, so we're going to wobble it out and I'll show you how deep it seats in here. Alright, just like that. Wobble it out of there. Walk it out of there. Just like that. Boom. So the plastic retainer that's shipped with the RMS is where it needs to be, and this is how it works. The tool automatically will seat it 3 millimeters into the case. So now we're going to remove these and show you the final. There it is, we're done. That's the RMS in there. So we also have these special encapsulated bolts. These will eventually leak. The factory ones are like this, and this will have a special thread sealant, keeps it from leaking. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.